Hi, and welcome to ExportKit. In this example, we're going to take a look at optimizing our pages, and in particular, we're going to deal with when you have multiple frames with the exact same name and how they render in the output, and also how to fix it. So be sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for updates to new and upcoming videos. Let's start by just exporting our entire project. Now, in particular, what we're looking to examine is our checkout. Because in essence what we have are three frames with the exact same name. So you'll notice we have three frames that were all rendered on the same page. Now there's nothing too distinctively different about each of these frames. They all seem to have the exact same content. So in essence our design does not require the additional frames. So let's remove it. Let's re-export. Now when we take a look at the new version, you'll notice that the file size is different. And we can see it has only the content we expect. But easily you can see that you can correct duplicate content that renders in the output with a minor change in your design by just deleting or actually renaming your frames, such as this. We have desktop 4, 6, 8. You can add any increment to it. As long as it's an individual name, it will render separately.